Hey everybody, this is Brendan with Business for Chummies. In this quick video, we're going to be looking at how to withdraw money from your PayPal balance down to your bank account. So here we're logged into my PayPal account, and the first thing we're going to do is navigate to the Pay and Get Paid menu, and then to the Money link. Once you're on the Money screen here, at the very top, you'll see a button that's titled Transfer Money. We're going to click that. And once we're on the transfer page, we're going to have some options. The first is at the top, the amount that we want to transfer. So let's just do, let's say $50. Next, we need to select how we want that transfer to take place. So do we want it to be essentially an instant transfer in a couple minutes? And if so, there's a fee that's associated with that. So there's a 1.5% fee based on the amount. So essentially, it'll be about 75 cents here. And then it'll have a minimum of 50 cents. If this was a small amount, like $10, you would get charged that 50 cents. If it was a larger amount, you could see how the fee might start growing significantly. Or you can choose to transfer the funds within 1 to 3 days, and then there is no fee associated with that. So I like to choose that option. Next, you can choose the bank account that you want to transfer to. So I'm going to go ahead and select one of my bank accounts. And then next, you just simply have to hit the transfer button. There are some more transfer options down at the bottom. For instance, you can receive a check in the mail for an extra $1.50 fee if you want. But I'm going to leave everything here, $50, 1 to 3 days, to this bank account, and then I'm going to transfer $50 now. And then I receive a confirmation that the transfer is initiated and the estimated arrival of those funds is 1 to 3 days in my bank account. All right, hope you had some fun, learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to Business for Chummies for other great videos.